Have you ever wondered if you could build a YouTube empire without fancy equipment, professional cameras, or even a smartphone? What if I told you someone did it with nothing more than a basic flip phone and some clever AI tools? Today, I'm sharing the incredible story of how one creator defied every rule in the YouTube playbook and built a thriving channel that now generates six figures annually. Picture this. While everyone else was obsessing over expensive cameras and perfect lighting setups, this creator was sitting in their tiny apartment with a $15 flip phone from 2018. No ring lights, no editing software, and definitely no budget for fancy equipment. But what they did have was something far more valuable. An unshakable belief that content matters more than production quality. The journey started during the pandemic when traditional income streams dried up. Instead of letting financial constraints become excuses, this creator turned limitations into advantages. They discovered that YouTube's success isn't about having the best gear. It's about solving problems and connecting with people who need help. Here's where the story gets fascinating. Rather than trying to compete with polished creators who had thousands invested in equipment, they embraced the constraint. Every video was recorded using that flip phone's basic camera function. The audio was whatever the phone could capture. No external microphones, no professional editing suites, just pure authenticity and valuable content. But here's the secret weapon that changed everything. AI tools designed specifically for content creation. While others were spending hours editing videos, this creator discovered platforms like Tube Magic AI that could generate video concepts, write scripts, and even suggest optimal publishing times. Suddenly, the playing field leveled out completely. The first breakthrough came when they realized faceless YouTube videos could be incredibly powerful. Without showing their face or investing in expensive setups, they could create compelling content using screen recordings, simple animations, and AI-generated visuals. The flip phone became a tool for capturing ideas and basic footage that AI would later transform into polished presentations. Within 3 months, something magical happened. Videos that cost almost nothing to produce started gaining serious traction. The authentic, no-nonsense approach resonated with audiences tired of overly produced content. Viewers began commenting about how refreshing it was to see someone succeed without fancy equipment or huge budgets. The breakthrough moment came during month 6 when one video about budget-friendly productivity hacks exploded overnight. Shot entirely on the flip phone and enhanced with AI-generated graphics, it earned over 2 million views and generated more revenue than most people make in several months. The comment section flooded with messages from viewers saying they felt inspired to start their own channels. By month 12, the channel had grown to over 500,000 subscribers. Revenue streams expanded beyond ad revenue to include affiliate partnerships, digital product sales, and sponsored content. The best part? Production costs remained virtually zero because the entire system relied on creativity rather than expensive equipment. The strategy evolved into a repeatable system. Each week involved brainstorming sessions captured on the flip phone, AI-powered content creation using tools that automated time-consuming tasks, and consistent publishing schedules that kept audiences engaged. The combination of authentic messaging and smart technology created unstoppable momentum. What makes this story so powerful isn't just the financial success, but the mindset shift it represents. This creator proved that barriers to entry are often self-imposed limitations. When you focus on providing genuine value instead of perfect production quality, audiences respond authentically. The empire now includes multiple revenue streams, partnerships with major brands, and a community of creators inspired by this unconventional approach. All started with a flip phone and determination to help others solve real problems. If this story inspires you to start your own YouTube journey, remember that success comes from consistency and value, not expensive equipment. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs happen when you work with what you have instead of waiting for perfect conditions. Your flip phone might just be your ticket to freedom.